Ano to, Eman?
Pagsiyo na bango siya.
Tanglad, suka, luya, bangus, peppercorn. Nice. Staff meal.
What are you cooking?
Nagawa ko ng beef, tripe, and broccoli. Kasi marami tayo, so I'm gonna thinly slice the beef. Then I'm gonna use ground beef to stretch. This is tripe. Ganda ng tripe. Ang puti yung puti. Then, ang gagawin ko dito sa tripe is i-confit ko lang siya, or I'm gonna slow cook it in oil. Dahan-dahan lang. Parang sinisimmer mo lang sa sarili. Flavor it with some baby. By slow cooking it in oil, you are helping it to be more tender and at the same time to be more crispy. Lower heat. Lower heat back. Yep. There you go. Broccoli. Yun na yung tripe mo. Nag-evaporate na yung moisture niya. Mamaya, pag slow, mas mababa pa dapat. Yan. Tapos mamaya, pag tumuyo na, ilakasan natin yung apoy para mas maging malutong. Ngayon, ang hinahabol natin dito is for it to be tender. When you blanch vegetables, you don't want to over blanch it. You still want it to be green like this. So bring it to a boil and then put it in the ice bath. Almost there. Once kumulo, ahunin ko na siya. Lagay ko na siya sa ice bath. Mantika. Then dito sa ating fries. And onion first, white onion. Okay, natikpan nila naman. bit. Oyster sauce. Black bean sauce or tausi. A little bit more. There we go. I'll add some water. So this is going to be our gravy or our sauce to our tripe and beef and broccoli dish. Add more so that we can feed more.
So is this supposed to be like a Chinese inspired dish?
Yeah, because since we're closing to Chinese New Year, gusto ko matikman ng staff natin yung Chinese flavors. Dito kasi araw-araw kinakain namin syempre Pinoy kasi it's a Filipino kitchen and it's with Filipino chefs and waitstaff.
Chef, what's your Chinese name?
会是 Hey, nasa kitchen ako. Seryoso ako dito, okay? So,
One more time, what's your Chinese name?
会是你叫什么名字？Wait, lapit ko. In Chinese cooking, palagi may chicken powder, sugar, and let's taste. See where it is.
So, Chef, what is your favorite Chinese dish?
Beef and broccoli. If after a long day, I would like some really good beef and broccoli.
Where do you like going to in Manila for your beef and broccoli fix?
Joy Garden, Jade, Crystal Jade. Or if you're in a foreign city, go get the local Chinatown and then have like freshly cooked beef and broccoli. Amoy na amoy mo pa yung wok. So, ito na, lumalapot na yung sauce. And, luluto na yung tripe sa likod. Gusto natin mas malapot. This is just 50% flour, 50% water. Then kung pag natikman nyo at matabang, edi dagdagan nyo lang ng oyster sauce, sugar, depende. Like ito ngayon, sabay yung lasa, sabay yung lasa ng alat at tamis. Then mamaya, i-finish off natin with the sesame oil. So, we'll taste. Tingnan natin kung tumabang. Pretty good. Okay, yung tripe natin ready na. Lutong na. Oh my god, parang chicharon pero tripe. Dito. Oh my god. Ganda. Golden brown. Pati yung laurel, malutong na rin. So ito yung trick sa pag nagluto kayo ng Chinese beef. Prituhin nyo sa mga. Pag napansin nyo sa Chinese restaurant, mabango yung beef. Kasi piniprito nila. Sandali lang. Tapos, ihalo mo sa sauce. Then mamaya, lipat ito dito. Lipat. Lipat.
Deep fried.
Not fried, parang more on like blanched sa whole.
If you could have one Chinese dish right now, what would it be?
Steamed lapu-lapu. Fresh. No? Because here in the Middle East, it's hard to find that. Look, may body ng sauce. Or yung gravy natin.
You know what I miss?
What?
Dim sum. Sunday dim sum.
With family. What's your favorite dim sum?
Summer palace forever.
What's your favorite dish?
Well, it has a really good shomai, of course. Then, I really like the shrimp mango roll with sweet and sour sauce.
Bebo si Jem, oh.
Hi, Jen! Jem!
Family meal. Ito, nilalagyan ko lang ng itlog.
Hi, Jen!
Hindi ka pa naman kumain. Hindi pa ako kumain, sir. Ito, sakto. Pero Chinese, hindi to Pinoy. O, hindi pala Chinese, Chinoy. Ba't napadaan ka? Nagbibigla ka na lang, ah. Tapos, lagyan ako ng
Parang baladilla.
sesame oil. May spring onions. Tapos na lang yung platter. Tapos ito, fried garlic. Dito sa oil ng tripe. Diyan, taga lang, ah. Ubusin ko lang to. Ubusin ko lang to. Flavored oil. Chicken powder. And spring onions.
So that's oil?
Yeah. It's tripe oil.
Oh my God.
May
Baka ma-heart attack tayo dito. Teka lang.
Okay. Pakilagay na yan.
Chef Emma, hindi yata ito mabuti para sa hugis ng katawan natin.
Hindi talaga, ma'am.
Pero mukhang masarap. Masarap siya, pero of course, it's oil. At least everybody gets some vegetables every day that are healthy, because this is what we need. Health is wealth. Nowadays, quite literally.
True. Okay. Guys, now I'm gonna add the sauce. I added egg. Two whole eggs. Para na may konting body. Then so
It
later,
smells really good.
it's the sesame oil you're smelling. Then later, top it with some crispy tripe. Ooh.
Sobrang sarap ng crispy tripe, by the way. Kasi nagnakaw ako ng one piece.
Yeah. And then maybe some spring onions. Ito. Then finish it off with a drizzle of sesame oil. There you go. Okay. Now let's just do it 3 times. Back again. Two. Okay.
So, lahat ng kakain today at Kuya
And family.
will be very happy because we have a happy family right now, because we're gonna have a happy meal. And when people are happy, they cook well. Is that correct? Tama ba yan siya?
True.
Because good food equals good mood. So, meron tayong side dish. Chef Eman, ano ito?
Paksiw na bangus mo. Basically, ginawa na ng talong, tanlad, saka ginger. Tapos yun yan, hindi mawawala ng vinegar.
Siyempre. Okay, sobrang sarap ng amoy.
Okay, out. Naman, dapat serve.
Apple, excited ka na ba?
Yes.
Tara, Jem, kain tayo. Siyempre.
Let me explain. Tara siya, Jem.
Okay.
Sit down.
So yung kinakain nyo ay syempre yung paksiw na dinala ni Chef Jan na niluto ni Emma sa suka, tangla. Ano pa nilagay mo dyan?
Lemongrass.
Peppercorn. Tapos itong sa harap nyo, tripe yan or tripa na pina-crispy natin. Tapos beef and broccoli with black bean sauce. Enjoy. Tuwalya sa Pilipinas, tripa sa Espanyol, tripe in English.
Okay, whatever. In Chinese.
Tripe. Tripe. Si Apple daw, may nag-comment na malakas kumain. So,
Hindi ako mag-rice today.
Oh!
sige.
Ayoko naman ako. Kumuha ng rice, kayo muna.
Try as is, tapos i-dip nyo sa sauce nyo.
Jem, napaka saktong-sakto yung dating mo.
Siya,
Parang may,
May
ano,
yata,
parang may insider info ah. Last time, sa isang video kasi may nagsabi malakas na kumain siya.
Sa'yo, ma'am.
Ngayon, vegetables na lang, broccoli na lang kinakain. Nahiya na.